Imagine a world filled with vibrant colors, mesmerizing dances, and breathtaking displays of beauty. From the deepest rainforests to the highest mountain peaks, nature has gifted us with some of the most stunning birds on the planet. These birds are not just a feast for the eyes. They use their dazzling feathers and incredible courtship rituals to attract mates in the most fascinating ways. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most beautiful birds in the world, where each one is a masterpiece of nature. Let's get started without any time wasting. Number 10, bird of paradise. The bird of paradise is one of the most dazzling birds, native to Papua New Guinea. Males are known for their extravagant plumage, featuring bright yellows, blues, and reds. Their courtship displays are nothing short of spectacular, involving elaborate dances and feather flaring. Some species even hang upside down, shaking their feathers in rhythmic movements to impress females. These birds are incredibly selective, and females carefully watch the males before making a choice. The competition is intense, as only the most skilled dancers get the chance to mate. Their beauty and unique rituals make them a true wonder of the avian world. Number 9, Jackson's widowbird. Jackson's widowbird is a stunning species found in the grasslands of East Africa. The males are famous for their long, flowing black tail, which grows over 20 inches during mating season. To attract a female, they perform an impressive jumping display, leaping into the air repeatedly. The higher the jumps and the longer the tail, the more appealing they appear to potential mates. This display is a test of strength and endurance, as only the best performers are chosen. Their striking contrast of deep black feathers and elegant movement creates a mesmerizing sight. This bird's beauty is truly enhanced by its dramatic courtship ritual. Number 8, Nicobar pigeon. The Nicobar pigeon is one of the most colorful and iridescent birds in the world. Native to the Nicobar Islands and parts of Southeast Asia, its feathers shimmer with hues of green, blue, and copper. Unlike ordinary pigeons, it has long, elegant neck feathers that give it a regal appearance. These birds form strong monogamous bonds and perform gentle courtship gestures with their partners. Males often coo softly and present twigs or food to impress females. Their dazzling plumage and affectionate behavior make them a symbol of beauty and loyalty. Sadly, habitat loss has made this species increasingly rare, adding to its mystique. Number 7, blackbird of paradise. The blackbird of paradise is a stunning species known for its deep black feathers and bright blue chest. Found in the dense forests of Papua New Guinea, the male's courtship dance is unlike any other. It transforms its feathers into a glowing crescent shape and moves rhythmically to attract a mate. The female watches closely, judging the precision and elegance of each movement. The more perfectly he performs, the higher his chances of winning a mate. Their hypnotic display and contrast of colors make them stand out in the bird kingdom. This bird's extraordinary performance is truly a masterpiece of nature. Number 6, Wilson's bird of paradise. Wilson's bird of paradise is a small but incredibly vibrant bird found in Indonesia's forests. Its striking colors include a bright red back, neon blue head, and yellow cape-like feathers. The male clears a patch of forest floor, removing leaves to create a perfect stage for his dance. He then performs a rapid series of movements, flashing his colors to impress the female. If she isn't convinced, he refines his dance until it meets her standards. This bird's dedication to courtship makes it one of the most fascinating species to watch. Its mesmerizing beauty makes it a true gem of the bird world. Number 5, Mandarin duck. The Mandarin duck is often considered the most beautiful duck in the world, with an explosion of colors on its feathers. Found in East Asia, males display an incredible mix of purple, orange, green, and blue. During courtship, they bob their heads, shake their feathers, and produce soft whistling calls to attract females. Unlike many bird species, Mandarin ducks form strong, lifelong bonds with their partners. Their vibrant appearance and graceful movements make them popular in art and culture. In Chinese tradition, they symbolize love and fidelity, often appearing in wedding decorations. This duck is truly a masterpiece of nature. Number 4. Golden pheasant. The golden pheasant is a breathtaking bird native to the forests of China, admired for its radiant golden yellow crest. Its body is a striking blend of red, blue, green, and orange, making it one of the most colorful birds in the world. During mating season, the male fans out his golden, cape-like feathers to impress the female. He circles around her, performing a slow and elegant dance to showcase his beauty. If the female is interested, she will respond with subtle movements of her own. Their dazzling display of colors has made them a favorite in aviaries worldwide. This bird is a living piece of art. Number 3. Victoria crowned pigeon. The Victoria crowned pigeon is a royal-looking bird found in the forests of New Guinea. It is the largest pigeon species and is named after Queen Victoria due to its elegant appearance. Its deep blue feathers, red eyes, and lace-like crest give it a regal and majestic look. Unlike most pigeons, it prefers to walk on the forest floor rather than fly. During courtship, males bow and softly coo to attract a mate, often fluffing their feathers to appear larger. Their gentle nature and stunning appearance make them one of the most admired pigeons. This bird truly lives up to its royal name. Number 2. Resplendent quetzal. The resplendent quetzal is one of the most magnificent birds in Central America. It has brilliant green feathers, a red chest, and long, flowing tail feathers that shimmer in the light. In ancient Mayan culture, this bird was considered sacred and a symbol of freedom. During mating season, males soar through the air in elegant displays to impress females. Their long tail feathers flutter beautifully, creating a breathtaking sight. These birds are elusive, living high in cloud forests where they remain hidden from human sight. Their vibrant beauty and mysterious nature make them one of the world's most enchanting birds. Number 1. Peacock. The peacock is the ultimate symbol of beauty and elegance, known for its dazzling, iridescent tail feathers. Native to South Asia, the male spreads his massive plumage into a spectacular fan, displaying shades of blue, green, and gold. He shakes his feathers in a hypnotic dance, creating a shimmering effect to attract females. The size, color, and symmetry of his display determine his success in courtship. Peacocks have been admired for centuries, often associated with royalty and divine beauty. Their feathers are so striking that they have inspired art and fashion worldwide. No bird can rival the peacock's breathtaking display of nature's finest colors. That's all for now. And don't forget to like and share the video and follow us for more updates. If you want to watch more informative and mysterious videos, then visit to our channel. We hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.